Okay, folks, welcome to my channel, Ball Cap Casey. I wanted to show you guys inside XS Club again because I had a hell of a time last time. Great time, so I was curious. I wanted to go back in there and see if they had the same shows. No, they had different shows, different girls, different outfits. Again, I had a great time, so hope you guys like this video. Here it is. You guys can see, you can ring the bell. A lot of the clubs have this. I think all the clubs just about have this. You ring a bell, and it's about 5,000 pesos. Some I've seen a little bit higher, some a little bit lower, but you buy all the girls in there a drink if you ring the bell. And the first few seconds of the video, there's people standing away. I can say, sit down, I want to see the show. I hope you guys watch it. Here's some of the show. And of course, guys, I had to mute the music, of course. Last time I tried to put the music in and YouTube didn't like it. I'll have to figure out how to put YouTube approved music, but I just think I'll just mute it and you guys can just put your own music on. When the girls are dancing, that's why it's quiet. You guys get the idea. Watch the show. Here it is. No music. Modelos in the Philippines. Hey, sit down, buddy. All right, so this first group of girls, you can see here that on my videos is Dynamic Dancers. So that must be the name of the group of the girls. They had a good dance team. I enjoyed it. They weren't from Korea. I guess they had the Korean flag in the back. I think that's because a lot of the owners here are Korean, and that must be the owners of the XS is the Koreans. They had the Korean flag in the back, but the Filipino dancers called Dynamic Dancers, they did a hell of a job. So hope you guys watch this and enjoy it. Dynamic dancers. Here we go, break time.
Okay, right about now what we're going to do is dance up for the close.
What do you guys think about that? What did you guys think about that? Hope you enjoyed it, but check this out. It's only getting better. This is pole dance. I've seen pole dancing before with just like one girl around the pole. Check this out. There's like 2, 3 girls, and they're climbing all on each other and doing all kinds of stunts on the pole. Check this out. The pole dancing. The amazing pole dancers. Where'd she go? Whoa, she's going to heaven. And then you just got this, guys. This, check out this.
Amazing ball dancers.
Then for the comical part of the night, I had a good laugh. This foreigner had a hell of a time. That's all that mattered. I don't know if it was his birthday. He was just a big spender in there. He was the sugar daddy. They just picked him out random in the crowd, but he had a permanent smile on his face. These girls treated him right. Check this out. Well, I'm sure that made that guy's night. He's probably still got a smile on his face. All right, then now here's some additional dancers. There's some more dancers. Stay tuned. Don't go away here, guys. Some more video here to come. And we got some fire stuff here coming up. Stay tuned. Don't go away. Again, I'm impressed about this place. I guess this group, as you can see, it's called the Maati dance team. I think it said Maati something. So they must travel. Maati is a district there in Manila, so they must have all kinds of different maybe groups that come visit this XS club and want to show off their performance. So here's them right here.
Okay, level now once again with this one ladies of the Maati lunch dance.
We have fire. We have fire. Fire. Okay, here's Big Papa there that had that lap dance from all the girls getting a selfie. Big old smile. I don't blame him. All right, as you guys can see, it's Christmas time here right around the corner. So you got the big Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Then there's a big spender. He was sitting there in front, and I think he spent 14,000 pesos. So that's roughly what, $300-ish? And he wanted to exchange them in for all small bills because he wanted to make it raining money. So he went up on the second stage and threw all kinds of money out. I think they're 20 pesos each, just so there'd be a lot of raining money. And here it is, raining money down on the girls. All right, a good time there at, again, it's called the XS Club. Had a good time, all the shows, and again, you're allowed to put video and pictures in there when they say. And then when there's girls though that have just the tape over their nipples, you can't do it. You can't do the video or photo. But it was nice of them to say, the MC in there was like, okay, put the videos, no vlogging, all this and that. So they gave you a warning. And there was a guy, I guess he didn't hear, he came in later and he was videoing at that time, and you see all the green lasers pointing at him. Put that away. So hey, it's their business. I follow their rules. I had a good time. I'm happy that they're allowed to have videos and photos. To me, it helps advertise their business. But hey, then with some of the girls that want to be videoed, I understand. If they're nude, respect them. I have a good time, so hopefully you guys did too. Come by Angeles City. Come visit Angeles City here in the Philippines. You'll have a good time. It's entertaining. A lot of things to do. And again, thanks guys for watching my video. And we'll see you next time. Remember, keep moving forward. Time for me to go get a San Miguel.